Hi, I'm Sean from Best Buy, and today I'm here to talk to you about the AeroGarden Sprout. This is an in-home gardening system which is super cool. Doesn't use any sunlight, doesn't use any dirt, so there's no mess. The coolest part about it is you don't need any growing experience at all to grow your own herbs, vegetables, salad greens, or even flowers. Let's open it up and check it out. As we get into this, we do have our quick setup guide that has a couple of different recipes in here. One for making pesto, another for a cucumber salad. We have our gourmet herb seed pod kit. There's 3 different seed pods in here. One is the Genovese basil, we have curly parsley, and we also have dill. As we open up the rest of this, we have our water container that our 3 seed pods are going to go in. We also have our AC adapter so that we can power up our lamp and the water pump. And finally, we have our lamp. Cool part about these lights, it will help grow your plants up to 5 times faster than your natural light. Here we have our water container. There is a small window in the front so that you can easily see how much water is in there. And inside our pod kit, we have 3 different pods for our 3 herbs that I mentioned. We have 3 different domes, which will help with the humidity as the sprouts begin to grow. And we also have our liquid plant food. This liquid plant food doesn't have any herbicides or pesticides and is also non-GMO. The Sprout promotes sustainability and reduces our carbon footprint in a number of ways. One, it uses a lot less water than soil gardens, both indoor and outdoor. It also uses a 10-watt lamp that has 60 LED light bulbs, white, blue, and red, that covers the entire light spectrum required for growing these plants up to 5 times faster than outdoor growing. My favorite feature of this AeroGarden Sprout is that it takes away all of the guesswork from growing. All you have to do is simply fill it with water, throw your pods in, and turn on the light. It will do everything else. It will remind you to add water in 2 weeks. It will remind you to add plant food, and it will automatically turn the light on and off to make sure that your plants are getting the required light needed to grow. That's it for today. I'm Sean from Best Buy. This is the AeroGarden Sprout. Till next time.